All right, this is an attempted quick demo of what was a Samick GRL-1 and is now the Polsfuss. This is obviously a Les Paul copy that I've got other videos that I show the work on. I'll put that link in the description. I've got Jimmy Page wiring on this, which means the push-pulls control splitting each of these pickups on these knobs, on these volume knobs. Then on the tone knobs, this push-pull takes you out of phase and in phase, and this push-pull puts you in and out of series. So I'm in the both the pickups mode here. Both the rhythm and the treble pickup are on right now, and so this is what it sounds like, just normal. And then we'll take them out of phase. And then we'll put them back in phase, and then we'll split the neck pickup. And we'll split the neck and the bridge pickup in phase. And then we'll have the neck and bridge pickup split out of phase. We're going to put them back in phase and then put them in series, which means one pickup runs through the other, which gets you more distortion. So they're both split and in series. And then we're going to unsplit them both, put them both back in humbucker mode, in phase, in series. And then we'll just go to the neck pickup here. There's so many settings, hard to keep track. Anyway, this is the neck pickup in full humbucker mode. This is the neck pickup split. This is the bridge pickup split. This is the bridge pickup in full humbucker mode. And then there's a bunch of other settings, depending on the combinations, but I didn't want to make this video too long. Anyway, these are lace Nitro Hemis, lace Hemi Nitros. I really like them. They're really hot, but they have good clarity. They don't seem to be muddy anywhere. Frankly, they're the best humbuckers I think I've ever had. Anyway, I'm really liking this Samick remod that I did.